Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into Manus AI, the future of intelligent software in just 100 seconds. So what is Manus AI? Simply put, it's an advanced AI platform designed to help businesses automate tasks and make smarter decisions. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Manus AI harnesses powerful machine learning and natural language processing to make your processes more efficient. Manus AI stands out because it combines automation with deep learning. It offers tools for data analysis, customer support, and even predictive analytics, all driven by AI. The platform can understand human language, generate insights, and even assist with complex decision making. It's like having a digital assistant, but much more advanced. Why does this matter? For starters, Manus AI saves you time. By automating tedious tasks, you free up your team to focus on more important work. It also improves accuracy and cuts down on human error, making operations smoother and more reliable. Real world examples: think chatbots that respond intelligently to customer queries, AI systems predicting market trends, or even software streamlining supply chain management. The possibilities are endless. In just 100 seconds, you now have an idea of what Manus AI is all about. It's all about making businesses smarter and more efficient with cutting edge AI tools. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.